my wraiths that I'm working on. Well, it's a slow building project. Put the big stinger on it. I've upgraded the shocks, which I am going to think about replacing, because they're too stiff now for the way that this build's going, because it's going into more of a rock crawler than like a rock racer, how I originally had it. So it's still on all its stock gearing and stuff. Done the battery move, fastback conversion, and the fastback conversion kit from Shapeways. At the minute, oh yeah, we've put some titanium links under there as well. And then there were just the stock panels that I've cut down and just blasted them in white paint. Oh yeah, removed the passenger seat as well, because if you guys own a Wraith and you've had the seats out, you'll know that they're fair heavy, and I do want most of the weight down low on this. I've got some other bits and bats for it. You'll have to mind me, I'm on my floor in my living room. It's the summer holidays and I've got nowhere where I can just set up at the minute without the little one mixing everything up with Lego and stuff like that. So yeah, some old RC 4-wheel drive rims, and I've wrapped these in some 2.2 Barger claws, the Mickey Thompson RC 4-wheel drive, and they're a lovely tyre. Those are what will be going on there. Kind of a few bits in here for it, winch. Still need to bead up some of these tyres. Hubs, knuckles from GPM Racing, and just some China CVDs, see how they go. Now if you remember when I first started this, it has just started out as basically just a budget build, hence like, you know, some cheaper parts, everything pretty much except tyres and my shocks when I get some new shocks. I've currently got these, I think they're the G-Mades. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit these today and get the rear lockouts. I were going to put this 4-wheel steer, which I can do at some point, because once I've replaced the front hubs and knuckles, I'm left with these, so there's nothing to just stop me popping them on and converting to 4-wheel steer at any stage basically. So yeah, I've had GPM products in the past and I've never had an issue with GPM products. They're always good quality products. I use a lot of stuff in my rigs these days, and I've got odd bits and bats and other crawlers from GPM. But as I said, this is all mainly on a budget, so doesn't need anything too fancy. We'll see how it holds up. So yeah, it'll probably be better getting these out to have a look at them. So there's the rear lockouts, and they do come with the necessary hardware to refit those. And as always from GPM, they're always nicely machined parts, and I do love the adonised blue. I've gone for the blue for a reason. I'm a genuine fan of blue, and especially the nice like electric tile cobalt blue like this. So not only do they look good, they're going to put that extra couple of grams down low where I need it in the corners. Pop the rubs in there, put the screws back on there, and that's the rear lockouts done for now. Outside on the floor, summer holidays, it's not good, you know, especially for building. So this kit also comes with like some little adapters we can extend. Everything's got nylon bushings, which is great. All the hardware, again, the knuckles, they've got nylon bushings, and the C-hubs there. So we're going to get them on first. And now we could pop on the knuckles. I'm going to leave the little extension bits for now, for the wheel hubs. But yeah, these look fantastic. How they perform, I don't know, but that we will find out one day. But yeah, bit by bit, it's coming along nicely. One thing I am unhappy about, but it's the usual case with every axial truck I've got, is when putting this hub on, the C hub, onto the plastic axle casing, I've had to really Loctite this in with some thread lock because they're just loose, the thread's gone. So I might get an alloy casing for it for the front, that way I've got a better bite on the knuckles. I think you can get them from Extra Speed or somewhere in China, and they're about 13-14 quid, so it's got to be worth a blast. But nah, I'm liking it so far. I'm going to have to remove one of these links because I've popped my panhard back up there. But no, the look of it, it's looking pretty awesome. So yeah, a bit of a random here, there and everywhere kind of video. But I've had these parts for a while and I just haven't had time to do it, so a bit out on the front street, a bit in the house, but we got it done, we got them fitted. I'm just looking forward to actually getting it tested now. But yeah, no issues apart from the threads going in the axle casing, but I could run it until they wear out, I suppose, and then replace them. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope it might have been some useful or pointless information for some of you. But no, it's just good to share the hobby, innit? So feel free to subscribe, like the video, drop me a comment, and I shall catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now.